Today we're going to talk about power steering cooler upgrade for your 350 or G35. Just kind of going right down the table as far as what's included in the kit. It's going to be our 13-row Pro Cooler Plus. Get all the nice fittings. It's going to be banjo style fittings with the nice constant tension spring clamps. So install is pretty straightforward on this. For Z's and G's, you're going to rib nut in the core support. Include rib nuts, tool with the bracket, and zip ties just to clean up all the lines. Why you may want to do this: so any type of spirited driving or drifting, low speed quartering turns, that's going to put stress on your power steering system. Heat's obviously the enemy on all hydraulic systems. So as you start to overheat your system, or start to boil fluid, what can happen is you introduce bubbles into the system, and during steering input, you can start to feel some notchiness or some vagueness within the steering, and that's just bubbles within your system. So at that point, that's an indicator to know, you may be looking to upgrade your power steering system. The factory cooler here, right, kind of the side-by-side next to the Pro Cooler. So obviously, larger cooler, it's gonna give you added capacity. Also, keep your temps down, so that's gonna extend the life of your components, such as the pump. We got a stock 350 power steering cooler, so you can kind of see the side-by-side, right? This is the smaller tube and fin style cooler. So the 13-row is gonna be a significant upgrade over the stock system. If you're looking to upgrade your power steering cooler system, check out motorsports.com, as well as any other needs for your 350 or G35.